Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Heaven Panty. So as the name suggests, this is a panty subscription. And what I really like about the subscription, it could be monthly or bi-monthly. You get to choose the frequency and you also get to choose the amount of panties you get. So you can get one pair per month or every other month for $9.99, or you can get two pairs for $16.99, and they have something where you can try it out for free the first month. So I would link them down below. I do get this kindly sent to me free for review, but I don't have an affiliate link or any codes or anything like that. The code is just for everyone through their website. So I believe I have one pair today, and it's all based on a profile, and their profile is a little bit more extensive than other panty subscriptions I've tried. So you let them know your sizing, and they actually ask you like your sizing at other with other brands, and they send you measuring tape your first month, so they make sure it fits you correctly. They ask you your preference of cut, style, fabric, I believe, and also like if you like patterns, what colors you like. And I usually get the sexy, comfy kind, and I love it. That's like my aesthetic, I think, kind of. And it comes in this cute bag, so let's see what we got. You guys might hear my robot mop is like on its last leg or something. It like makes noise randomly. It just did once I hit record, or like right before. So just FYI. So it comes in this bag every month, this resealable bag you can keep if you want. And I love that you get a little peek of the panty that's inside. So it looks like it might be like a navy blue. So cute. Let's see. So I have a thong this month, and for reference, I get a size large. So you might size up, but again, you can let them know your sizing and measurements. Yeah, royal blue, comfy, and seamless. Ooh, I like seamless for when you're wearing like tighter clothes. And I love royal blue. So this is what it looks like. So it has a retail value of $15, and you get it for, again, $9.99. And they have a great loyalty program, which I'll tell you about soon. Okay, I love this. There's scale up. I haven't one like this similar from them, but not the scale up trim. It's super cute. And it seriously is seamless. You can't see these through your clothes. Seamless is the way to go if you're ever wearing something form-fitting, if you didn't know that already. But I think this is so cute. This is nylon and stretchy. I love the fit of the large on me. I love the color. The scale up makes it just so much cuter. I love that. And there is like a cotton gusset for anyone curious. So I'll just leave this here and show you about, or tell you about their referral program. So if you're not satisfied, they have a return program, and you can update your preferences that we talked about anytime. And for the referral, like you can give $20 credit to a friend and get $20 back. And also if you review them on Facebook, you get $5 store credit. If you share a photo on Facebook or Instagram, you get $5 credit. And then also if you review them on their own website, you get $2 credit. So I think that's great that they give back, and you can really like add that up and get more pairs on their website. So super cute. I really like this pair. Love the blue. Love the scale up. Let me know what you think. And I have a playlist if you wanted to look at all of the panties I've gotten from Heaven Panty in the past. I've gotten this for a little while now. I also have a playlist that's all about just like panty subscriptions in general. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Quick video. I hope you are well. Let me know how you're doing. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you guys are new here or aren't aware, I do pick a subscriber at random each month. So if you want to be qualified, you just have to be a subscriber and then engage with my videos. So I pick a random video from that month, and then a random comment, and then I post it on my community tab the first of every month. So yeah, love you guys so much. Thanks for your support. Thank you for being you. I love you so much. Bye.